Natural and home remedies for burns. Skin is an essential part and makes our body function properly. Therefore, a burn can affect the skin quite severely, and this can be in the form of heat burns, cold temperature burns, thermal burns or liquid scald burns, electrical burns, chemical burns, hot plastic burns, each of which will be mild, minor, moderate or severe. There are 3 types of burns. First-degree burns affect the outer layer of the skin called the epidermis. They cause a pain and redness, but they have a low chance of forming blisters and can be cured naturally at home. Second-degree burns affect the epidermis and dermis and causes redness, pain and swelling and forms blisters. Some can be treated at home and for some you have to seek medical attention. Third-degree burns affect the deeper skin layer called subcutaneous tissue where bones, muscles, nerves and blood vessels glands are located. You have to seek medical attention because it is life-threatening. Home remedies for burns. There are no remedies for the third-degree burns besides medical treatment. The following are the homemade natural remedies which help to cure first-degree and second-degree burns. Cold water. Cold water treats the burns and stops spreading. Pour cold water over the burning area for few minutes. You can also apply cold compress over the affected area and repeat several times a day. Use cold whole milk in the place of cold water and follow the same process. Raw potatoes. Raw potatoes have anti-irritating and soothing properties. It reduces the pain and formation of blisters. Cut a raw potato into slices and rub a slice on and around the burn. Do not put too much pressure on it, but make sure the juice is releasing from the potato. Use immediately after the burn occurs. Repeat the rubbing process if it is necessary. Honey. Honey disinfects the wounds and heals the burns. It soothes the pain, draws fluids out of the tissues and cleans the burned area. Spread honey on the burnt area directly, leave on without disturbing or spread honey on a bandage, apply directly on the burns. Leave for a few hours. Change the bandage 3 to 4 times a day, repeat regularly. Black tea bags. Black tea contains tannic acid which helps to draw heat from the burn and reduces the pain. Put 3 tea bags in a cup of cool water. Allow it to steep for few minutes. Dab the tea bags gently on the burnt area. Put cold, wet tea bags directly on the affected area and cover with gauze. Add 3 to 4 tea bags and 2 cups of fresh mint leaves to 4 cups of boiling water and stir it well. Steep for 15 minutes. Strain the liquid into a jar and allow it to cool. Dab the liquid on the burned area with a cotton ball. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has pain-killing, astringent, tissue, healing and soothing properties which cures burrs. Rinse the affected area with cold water or vinegar, squeeze fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf, apply this on the affected area directly. Leave it like that. You can also use a cream containing aloe vera, repeat regularly to reduce burns. Onion juice. Onions contain sulfur and quercetin which helps to give relief from pain and heals the burns. It reduces the formation of blisters. Cut an onion into small pieces, apply the onion juice on the burns and rub it gently, repeat several times a day. Vinegar. Vinegar contains astringent and antiseptic properties which helps to treat the minor burns and prevents infection. Dilute vinegar with an equal amount of water, rinse your burned area with this, soak a cloth in the solution and cover the area with it. Replace the cloth every 3 hours, repeat this process continuously. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has antiseptic and pain-killing properties, and also reduces the risk of scarring. Apply a few drops of lavender oil directly on the burn several times a day or pour lavender oil on a piece of clean cloth and place it on the burned area. Replace cloth every 2 to 3 hours. Milk. The fat content in the milk soothes the burns and speeds up the healing process. Non-fat milk is also good to treat burns because it contains special enzyme which heals burn very effectively. Soak the burned area in a bowl of milk for about 15 minutes, apply a milk-soaked washcloth on the burnt skin, leave for a few minutes and continue the process for every 3 to 4 hours. Wash the burned area and cloth after 24 hours with soap and water. Plantain leaves. Plantain leaves are rich in anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-hemorrhagic and expectorant properties which helps to heal the burns without scars. Crush a few fresh plantain leaves to extract the juice, rub the juice directly on the burn. Salt solution. Salt treats the burns by drawing out all the liquid from the area. Mix half teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water, rinse the burnt area with this solution every 2 hours. Yogurt. Yogurt acts as an antidote for the burns. It also soothes and cools the burned area. Apply a cup of yogurt directly on the burnt area, leave for about 15 to 20 minutes, gently wash the affected area, plain yogurt is recommended. Repeat the process regularly. Banana peel. Lutein, present in banana peel, is a powerful antioxidant which will help to reduce the swelling and inflammation caused by the burning. Put a banana peel on the burned area and rub it gently, leave until the peel becomes black, repeat the process. Soy sauce. Soy sauce eases pain and prevents blisters. Apply soy sauce gently on the burned areas, leave for about 30 minutes, wash it off after half an hour. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E helps to heal the burns by reducing the pain. You can either take the food which has vitamin E or oil, capsule that has vitamin E. Apply vitamin E oil directly on the burns and leave, repeat the process continuously. Mustard. Mustard reduces the pain and blisters and scarring. Rub mustard on the burned skin gently. Leave it for few minutes, wash it off with cool water after an hour. Turmeric and mustard oil. Turmeric is an antibiotic and helps to heal the burns. Mustard oil gives relief from the pain. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Apply it on the burn. Leave for 30 minutes and rinse it off. Repeat twice a day. Oatmeal. Minor burns cause itching while healing. Oatmeal can help with this. Add 1 cup of uncooked oatmeal to a bath of lukewarm water. Soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Leave use skin to air dry. Beware, as oatmeal can make surfaces slippery. You can also apply body lotion to prevent itching. Ice cubes. Eating hot food can burn the tongue or inside of the mouth. Rinse an ice cube in water. Suck the cube to get relief from tongue burn. Diet plan. Planning your diet heals the burns and strengthens your immune system to make the healing process faster. Vitamin C helps to heal the burns and other wounds quickly, so eat foods such as citrus fruits, potatoes, broccoli, etc. Vitamin A and vitamin E also help to speed up the healing process, so eat foods such as green fruits and vegetables, cereals and nuts, etc. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Eat food high in proteins, calories, vitamins, minerals and zinc. Tips to cure the burns. Follow these tips to help with your burns. Apply white toothpaste over your wound or burned area and leave overnight to dry out the inflammation. Use calendula-based ointments, gels or creams as it contains anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and gentle astringent properties which helps to heal the burns quickly. Avoid touching burned skin directly with your fingertips as it will allow the bacteria to spread to it. If you have a 2nd degree or 3rd degree burns, don't pop the blisters or pick the peeling skin around the wounds. Don't apply ice directly on the burned area as it will cause more damage to your burned skin. Don't remove the clothes from the burned area if it is stuck to the burn as it leads to bleeding, but remove the jewelry and unburnt clothing. Wash your hands before and after treating burns or, if possible, wear gloves. Quit smoking because it reduces the blood supply and slow down the healing process. Apply sunscreen lotion and other body lotions on the burned area because it spreads like a layer over the burned area, and avoid the pollution, dust, sun effect on it. Apply baking soda paste, baking powder mixed with water, or egg white on the burned skin to get relief from the pain. Replace wound dressings regularly to heal the wound and keep away infections. Wear an apron while cooking, as a kitchen is the most common place to get burned. Lower the temperature of the heater below 120 degrees Fahrenheit while heating water, as a second-degree burn is more likely to happen in water hotter than 120 degrees. Try to keep a fire extinguisher and a box of baking soda nearby. Cover all your electrical outlets with special protective covers. Burns from any radioactive material should not be treated at home. Consult the doctor immediately for medical treatment.